Hello guys, I am Rochelle Nuez, a fourth year student from Environmental Science program. So for today's video, we're going to talk about the minimum tillage and nutrient management. In this video, I'll briefly explain what these are and why they are important for soil health and crop production. First, let's talk about the minimum tillage. When we say minimum tillage, it is the reduction of the frequency and intensity of soil tilling. Minimum tillage is the reduction of how often and how deeply the soil is tilled. Unlike conventional tillage, this practice limits soil disturbance. Think about this. The soil is heavily tilled, it becomes loose. When it rains, the soil can easily be washed away, and when it's windy, it can be blown away. But with minimum tillage, the soil remains more stable, it retains moisture better, and it protects soil organisms. It also helps to preserve soil structure, reduce soil erosion, and improve soil health. Next, we have nutrient management. It involves strategic planning and application of plant nutrients to maximize crop productivity while minimizing environmental impacts. Nutrient management is the careful and wise use of fertilizers and nutrients to help crop grows efficiently while protecting the environment. This practice ensures that essential nutrients are supplied in the right amount at the right time and using the right methods to promote efficient plant growth. Because remember, too little fertilizer leads to poor plant growth, while too much fertilizer can damage crop and pollute water sources. Next, we have the aspects of nutrient management. Let's start with soil testing. Soil testing determines the nutrient levels present in the soil and what needs to be added for optimal plant growth. That's why farmers test their soil before planting to avoid fertilizer waste and make sure that the crops can get only what they need. The second one is balanced fertilization. Providing the correct balance of macronutrients and micronutrients ensures plant receives what they need without excesses that can harm the environment. Plants need a balanced supply of nutrients just like people needs a balanced diet. Macronutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and micronutrients like zinc and manganese must be applied properly to support healthy plant growth and minimize nutrient losses. Next, we have application timing and methods. So in timing, nutrients should be applied when plants can most effectively use them, often during key growth stages. So timing is important and nutrients should be applied when plants can absorb them the most efficiently. In methods, we have different techniques such as banding, broadcasting, and foliar feeding. So when we say banding, nutrients places near in the roots, while the broadcasting spreads nutrients on the soil surface, while in foliar feeding, the nutrients sprays directly on the leaves. Next is use of organic and inorganic sources. So nutrient management uses both organic and inorganic fertilizer. Organic fertilizer like manure, compost, or rice hull improves soil health by increasing organic matter. On the other hand, inorganic fertilizer provides nutrients but must be used properly to avoid environmental damages. Next, we have the environmental consideration. Proper nutrient management reduces nutrient runoff into rivers or lakes. Without proper management, excess fertilizer can cause algal blooms, water contamination, and even fish kills. That's why nutrient management is important to maintain the water quality and avoid to harm the environment. So next we have the precision agriculture. This uses technology like GPS and soil sensors to apply nutrients only where they are needed. Because of this, fertilizer waste is reduced and environmental impact is minimized. To conclude, minimum tillage protects soil structure, and improve soil health, while proper nutrient management ensures that nutrients are used efficiently and responsibly. Together, these practices enhance crop productivity while reducing environmental impact, helping farmers achieve a balance between high yields and long-term environmental stewardship for sustainable agriculture. And that's the end of my discussion. I hope you like it and thank you for listening.